Let's take a look at shares of where Bitcoin are currently trading. You can see there, they're trading higher on the session, about 0.8%, just slightly under the $4,000 mark. Price now, though, a fraction from its peak, close to 20,000. The question, of course, can this cryptocurrency finally stabilize, or is there more volatility ahead? Yahoo Finance's JP Mangalindan is joined by Gemini Exchange founders Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. I'll send it over to you, JP.
Great. Thanks so much. I'm glad to be joined here by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss here in Austin, Texas for South by Southwest. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having us.
So what brings you to South by Southwest? My understanding is you're here, it's kind of a short but sweet trip, right? About 2 days. Why make a pit stop in Austin?
So we're here to talk about Gemini and its new mobile app,
which is available on the Apple Store and Google Store. It allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto on the go, effectively.
Got it. And speaking of crypto, we're seeing a lot of volatility over the last 12 months. How do you view that volatility, and do you see more volatility moving forward?
It's hard to predict going forward, but I think it's pretty normal for a new asset like crypto to be volatile at different points in time.
Yeah, people get really excited, it gets a little overheated, and then sort of corrects. And we've sort of seen this a couple of times, at least since we've been in crypto since 2012. So it's part of the cycle, but overall we end up in a better floor than we started.
And when we were at South by 3 years ago in 2016, the price of Bitcoin was $400. Today it's about $4,000. So it might be volatile, but it's moved in the right direction.
And what are your thoughts on stablecoins? I mean, there's Gemini stablecoin, for example.
We think they're super important. The Gemini dollar, you can get it by signing up to Gemini. It's sort of like a currency, so you can, it's better than spending Bitcoin or Ether, you're taking risk on the price volatility. So the famous Bitcoin pizza, you could overpay or underpay, but Gemini dollars, we put dollars on the blockchain, so you can buy things basically using dollars on a blockchain.
Got it. And now Gemini Exchange is the first fully regulated Bitcoin exchange. That being said, there are a lot more of other exchanges out there that have sort of proliferated and become more popular over the last few years since you guys first announced. How do you view Gemini Exchange versus the other exchanges that are out there?
So we're a New York trust company, and not all exchanges are created equal, for sure. There's a lot of unregulated type of exchanges, but we're a very safe and secure place to buy and sell crypto.
Yeah, and trust has been our product from day one. We've been super security focused, compliant, regulatory oriented, and we sort of lived the Wild West days of crypto. We bought some of our earliest Bitcoin on Mt. Gox, and that informed us of what solution there needed to be. So Gemini is that solution. So you can download the app, you can go to Gemini.com, but you can engage in crypto in a way that has trust, security, and is transparent.
What else do you sort of see in the pipeline coming down in the short to medium term for cryptocurrency? How do you sort of see things evolving?
It's a good. Yeah, I mean, there's exciting new projects coming online. Filecoin has yet to launch. There's other Ethereum competitors that are launched and coming there. So more projects, more cryptocurrencies. We're certainly continuing to build our platform. Hoping to open up in Europe soon. Our sort of theme for 2019 is going global and going mobile. Our mobile app just launched in December. It's a great way to trade crypto on the go. Mm-hmm. And we're hoping to be in more jurisdictions right now. We're in the US, UK, Canada, Singapore, Hong Kong, and some other jurisdictions, but increasing our operational footprint and just more extending our platform from desktop, laptops to now mobile.
Other exchanges out there, like Robinhood, for example, have dabbled in cryptocurrency, so to speak. They're offering millennial users the ability to now trade in crypto. What are your thoughts on something like that?
We're a crypto native company, so it's a little bit different than allowing, being a stock company or an equities brokerage and allowing people to purchase crypto through that. We're a crypto native. We're a custodian and an exchange and a platform. We issue the Gemini dollar, and we're very easy. You can onboard the mobile app in probably under 90 seconds.
Yeah, so they do one piece of the many pieces that we do. Like Cameron said, we're crypto native. We didn't exist before crypto. And so it's very hard to for a zebra to change its stripes in a way. But our stripes have always been crypto, so I think that's kind of what makes a little bit the difference.
Got it. I did want to briefly change gears. We talk about like a societal shift, not just with cryptocurrency, but with social media consumption, for example. We are seeing this movement away from public broadcast of status updates more towards private. Companies have certainly announced a pivot in that respect. What are your thoughts on that front, given your previous experiences?
I mean, I think that certain platforms, the public broadcast makes a lot of sense, like Twitter. I love following people that I consider experts that I don't necessarily know and hear what they have to say. But in certain areas, maybe it doesn't make as much sense. I certainly, as I get older, I feel less need to sort of broadcast necessarily to everyone, everything. Maybe that's me, maybe it's a personal thing, but I think there's a place for it all. It just depends on like which platform you engage with, what your goals are, and then you can sort of make the appropriate choice.
Yeah, it's similar to crypto. Like some people love Bitcoin, some people love Ethereum. There's lots of different types of crypto out there, and I think there's different types of sharing, and that's evolving over time.
Yeah, and exactly, and they have different strengths. Like Bitcoin's not necessarily competing with Ether or Ethereum. At Gemini, we carry 5 different coins, so you have sort of a pick. Mobile app, you can do a market basket buys. You can buy a basket. We have recurring buys. So if you want to say, hey, I want to put in a few $100s every Wednesday at 9 a.m., you can sort of set that and put on autopilot. So there's a lot of different choices. When we started Gemini, there was only Bitcoin, and now it's super exciting that there's all these other projects. So, and it's just the beginning.
It's just the beginning. Great. Well, Cameron Tyler Winklevoss, thank you so much for your time this afternoon in Austin and South by. We very much appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thank you.
Great. So back to you, New York.
Okay, thanks for that, JP. Meantime, stay tuned to Yahoo Finance for more live coverage of South by Southwest later today.